The Royal Canadian Geographical Society, in partnership with the Canadian Boreal Forest Agreement, have recently created a mega map unlike anything Canada has done before. This map illustrates a bustling, thriving ecosystem in dizzying detail. This is why that map was made.
Well, the Canadian Boreal Forest Agreement at now 76 million hectares across Canada is the largest conservation initiative of its kind in the world. So it seems only fitting that if you're going to have a conversation about the most ambitious, largest conservation initiative in the world, that you should have a large canvas to talk about the issues from.
And through this partnership, they truly made a mega map. While the RCGS has made maps before, this is certainly one of the largest. Standing at 8 meters by 11 meters, it's 6 times the height of the average 8-year-old and large enough to hold 24 caribou on its surface.
It really is one of the most important and timely discussions that we can have about our own environment and our ecosystems. And the map makes that discussion easier. You can actually visualize the large expanses we're talking about. You can approach them from different angles. You can raise different issues and really bring the kids, the students, to explore and reach their own conclusions.
This historic map will educate young Canadians about our vibrant forestry industry and the importance of the boreal forest.
The types of things you can teach on a map like this are just, they're really endless. You can start with a very small topic, as I said, finding yourself or finding how you relate to it, and then getting more in depth, seeing the different aspects of the Canadian Boreal Forest Agreement, the different types of areas that are depicted, the different interactions that they have, and really to see the work that's being done.
There's a deep concern, I think, in the conservation community in this country that there's a disconnect, a growing disconnect between youth and the wilderness of this country. And so the map is a real opportunity for us to reach out to not just decision makers and others, but to youth, and ensure that youth get an understanding of the boreal forest and an appreciation of the challenges that are found there.
We need to reach out. The boreal forest means more to Canada and the world than ever before.
We rely on it, whether we know it or not, for a tremendous amount. For water, for clean air, for its contribution to control of our climate, the role that it plays as a habitat for key species, including the forest resident woodland caribou, which is virtually unique to Canada.
This project is about so much more than a map. It's more than longitude, latitude, and legends. It's about the 200 communities across Canada that rely on the forestry industry, our shared responsibility to each other, our natural environment, and our future as a nation.